Hey, it's Trevor here, and this is my real life mastery review. And this is one of those products that as soon as I get inside, I start looking at it and I think, yes, this is good. Now, before I say anything else, I just want to show you a few examples of what you could be able to achieve if you took this very simple training. Let me show you.
Bitch, I'm stylish. Black top, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond.
And this one. And this one. Now you've got to admit, that is some pretty fancy videoing, and it's no wonder that these videos get so much attention. And if you just think about this for a minute, you could achieve videos like that simply by using your phone. All right, all of this is done with a phone, and it uses free software, and you get step-by-step training. In a minute I'm going to show you inside the members area, but you've got to see this stuff. Now you might be thinking, okay, well that's great, Trev. Why would I want this and what could I do with it? Well, let me show you this. So this is Mario. This is one of the guys behind this program, and he managed to get 17.6 million views on one single video when he started applying what he's teaching in this. Now this course is being released by Mario and a friend of mine, Mark Laxton, who's a fellow Brit. And I mean, it is top quality stuff. Let me just show you a couple of extras here. All right, so we've got an ordinary shots before. Now, to be fair, like the shots on the before are pretty good. Nice scenes and all that sort of thing. But wait till you see the after. So let's watch the before first. Alright, now wait till you see the after.
I'm stylish. Black top, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight. Mile high, run that shit back, bitch, I'm stylish. Black top, big t-shirt, Billy.
Now, I don't know about you, but I think all of the food there looks amazing. But obviously that's not what we're looking at. What we're looking at is how are they doing these videos. And that's what you will discover inside this course. Alright, so let me take you through now and take you inside so you can see what you get for your money. Now, one of the first things that I noticed about this is that on the welcome page, there is no call to action to get you onto a webinar that's going to sell you something that costs a lot of money. Alright, the welcome video is actually doing what it should do, which is welcoming you to the program and explaining what you need to do and where you need to go, and you know, your first steps and that kind of stuff. So look at the bonuses that you're going to get here. You've got camera settings checklist, smartphone filming tips, optimization checklist, yearly planner, recommended resources, and then download Lightroom presets, instructions for desktop, instructions for mobile, download video filter LUTs, and video filter LUTs instructions. All right, that's just the bonuses. I want you to see this. Look, the creators bundle. So here we've got all of the trainings on all the different transitions that you can do using this. First of all, you got your camera settings, then how to stabilize your video shots, then how to edit. Now, those things there are obviously going to show you how you can get to this kind of polished result. Then they go through the transitions, which are the transition triangle, create your first transition, selfie transition, whip transition, sky transition, hand transition, thigh transition, key transition, rainbow transition, menu flip transition, green screen transition, and reverse green screen transition. Right, that is like, I mean, I'm excited to get started on this. I am. So you can probably see some of this stuff coming from me soon. Then we've got the VN editing, create a project in VN, editing clips in VN. So it goes all through the software here, adding filters, music, keyframes, ramping, slow motion, transitions, etc. And then I think Fast Track is one of the upgrades. The monetization masterclass is one of the upgrades, but I think that's definitely worth looking at, because if you look at this, then you're going to learn how to make money online doing this, content for local businesses, collaborations with brands, physical products as an affiliate, sell your own product or services, and hosting your own events. So I think that is a very solid upgrade if you want to learn how you can turn this into something that you can monetize. But at the end of the day, if you can get millions of views on a video, trust me, you can make money. All you need to do is have an affiliate link in there and you're going to make money. So taking this from the JV page, Real Life Mastery is perfect for affiliate marketers, content creators and influencers, coaches and course creators, entrepreneurs and business owners, social media marketers, make money online audiences, beginners and busy professionals. And I think without a shadow of a doubt, you know that all of those different kinds of people could definitely use something like this. This is really exciting. It's not often that I message the creator and say, man, I just love what's inside here. And I've just done that just this second. In fact, let me show you. So I said, Mark, I have to say I absolutely love what you've got here. Now, Mark had sent through some information on this to me prior to the release as well. And I knew it was going to be good. But when I got inside the members area, I could see just how good it is. And I 100% fully endorse this. It gets a massive big thumbs up from me, and I definitely recommend that you pick this up. So let's take a look at what you get with the what's called the front end, which is the main product, and then I'll take you through the optional upgrades there as well. So the front end, you're going to get step-by-step video training, a deep dive into professional level smartphone videography, and I've started going through that, and I can tell you that it's absolutely high quality stuff. You know, you will not be disappointed with this. You're going to have your phone out every second, every chance that you get, creating these incredible films. I'm going to tell you that now. You're going to get cinematic techniques and editing hacks, learn how to plan, shoot and edit like a pro using only your phone and without complicated software. You're going to get real hook and engagement strategies, so you can learn how to stop the scroll in the first 3 seconds, keep people watching and boost organic reach to millions of views. You know, there's a lot of potential with this stuff. The bonus downloadable resources that I told you about, you get the checklist, the video LUTs, the Lightroom presets, planners, creative frameworks, etc. And then if you want to take things a little bit further, you've got a bump offer, which is when you go to the checkout, you'll be able to take this option to take the checkout bump, all right? And that's a 45-page storytelling blueprint teaching you how to connect with any audience on a deeper level, turning viewers into loyal followers with practical examples and actionable insights, transform your content into compelling stories that inspire, entertain and drive growth. Then got OTO 1, which is the fast track, monthly templates and reel breakdowns, new trending reel templates, so users simply drag and drop clips to replace footage and create new reels, and reel breakdowns where we talk through the exact thought process, planning and shooting strategies we took to create our most viral reel so users can do the same. We deliver fresh new templates and reel breakdowns every month. Sounds great. And then the monetization masterclass. That's something that I'm very excited to get started on now. A deep dive into turning reels into income streams, including affiliate commissions, local business promotions, influencer collabs, brand deals and more. Social media growth and monetization, more visibility equals more sales. Customers will learn how to turn their reels into traffic, leads and business growth, whether for themselves or their clients. That is where the juice is. And then upgrade number 3, OTO 3, is one-to-one live mentoring and strategy call, personalized coaching to help customers optimize their social media strategy, build their audience and maximize their content for leads and sales. Now, if you pick this up through me, I will give you a big bonus bundle. And included in that bonus bundle will be my virality program. And that gives you over 1,000 done for you viral reels ready to go. This is a massive bundle of done for you videos, and here I tried to kind of zoom out as much as I could to give you a feel for just how many you get, but it is massive. So to help you explode your social media, or even if you just want to do this as a service for other businesses, then this bonus is going to be definitely for you. Over 1,000 battle-tested viral videos, free as my gift to you. And before we close this, let's go for another couple of demos. So cool. And before we close, I just wanted to give you an example of what the training looks like inside, because I want you to see just how good this stuff is. So just let's have a quick look at this.
Welcome to the Selfie Transitions Masterclass. Now, the selfie transitions are a little bit different as to the transitions which I've been teaching you, which you must have also seen on my account. And just
now, if that sounded a little bit echoey, then that's just because I've got it coming off of my speaker, but the audio inside is perfect as well. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, Real Life Mastery is a fantastic program. Gets my 100% back in, and I can't wait to get stuck in and start creating some of these myself. It's no wonder that they go viral, because they're so engaging, and there are so many ways that you can use this. So go ahead, pick this up through my link so you get my bonus bundle, including those 1,000 done for you viral videos, and let's start making some money. I'll see you soon. All the best.